Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, when the new moon of Zulhajj was about to appear, we went out in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said to us, whosoever among you wants to put on the ihram for Hajj must put it on, and whosoever among you wants to put on the ihram for the Umrah must wear the ihram for the Umrah. And if I had not brought the sacrificial animal, I would have also put on the ihram for the Umrah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, some of us put on the ihram for the Hajj and some of us wear the ihram for the Umrah. And I was among those who put on the ihram for the Umrah. When the day of Arafah came, I had a period when I complained to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, leave your Umrah, undo your hair, comb it, and put on the ihram for the Hajj. When the night of Muhassab approached, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Abdul Rahman along with me to Tan'im. So I wore the ihram for the Umrah in place of my missed Umrah. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1783.